Hi and welcome to Cadvantage. In this video I'm going to show you how to create the shaft support in Inventor. So here's a look at the sketch. We have dimensions in millimeters and there's a note here that says that the two radius 40 arcs at the bottom share the same center. So we have at the bottom of this feature we have a radius 40 arc here, and also on this side you have a similar arc, this being symmetric. So I've started my first sketch here, and so I'm on the XZ plane. That's my top view right here. I'm in my sketch mode. So we start off with that circle. So the radius that we saw in this sketch was radius 40. So you want to start the center at the origin, and this circle right here has a radius of 40. That was the first thing in my sketch. And then I have another circle here, so you can see that this is radius 22. I have my circle here, 44 millimeters in diameter. It's on the same axis here, so this distance is 50 millimeters, and these two are circles which the centers are collinear with a distance of 50 millimeters in between. And then there are two lines. So there is this line. Let me show you the constraints here. So this line is tangent to this circle and also to this circle, and then you have another line that's tangent, and I have drawn here a construction line. You can see the dashed line here which passes through the center of the circle, and now I'm going to mirror it on the other side. So all I'll do is mirror, and I'm going to select my object. So I want to mirror this circle, I want to mirror this line and this line, and I'm going to select those, press enter. Then I'm going to select the mirror line, which is this line here, and I'm going to say apply, and I'm done. And now all we'll do is trim everything. So we come up, we have trimmed everything that we needed, and now I'm going to draw another circle here. So the center point here, I'm going to give it a diameter of 15 millimeters. Circle here, center point, and 15. And I'm going to finish the sketch, and I'm going to go to 3D model, and you have a distance of 18 millimeters for the thickness. So you want 18 there, and click OK. So we have created the base feature. Going to go to the XY plane, and notice that the XY plane is passing through the exact symmetry here, because we have tied our sketch to the origin, and the XY plane is here. So I'm going to create my sketch on the XY plane, and I'm going to have this circle here, and I'm going to dimension it, and that's going to be 46 millimeters for the dimension. And let's zoom it, and we have another circle here, and the dimension for that is 30. And I'm going to make sure that the center of the circle is 58 millimeters. And let's look at our sketch. So we have 58 millimeters to the center of the circle, and we have these two circles. And I'm going to finish the sketch and extrude it for a total of 40 millimeters. I'm going to finish sketch, and I'm going to extrude. So we're going to click in the portion between the two circles, and we will make it symmetric, and the total distance is going to be 40. and I'm going to hit click OK. And now again I'm going to the XY plane and I'm going to start another sketch. So start 2D sketch on the XY plane, and I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to first project geometry, so I'll go project geometry, click on that and click on that. So I have these two projected. I'm going to draw a line first here, so it's going to be somewhere here, and let's dimension that line. So this is 67 millimeters, and that's 67, and we can see that. And so with a total of 80 millimeters, we will have 80 minus 67, and that would be 13 millimeters. So that would be 6.5 on this side and another 6.5 on this side. So let's make sure that we get the dimension right. So we go to dimension, click this point and this point and make that 6.5, and that will ensure that this distance also is 6.5 since it's symmetric. And we're going to draw a line here at the end point of this line, and we'll go in this direction. Same thing, we'll draw a line from this point here, and then we want to make sure that this line is tangent to the circle and tangent to the circle, and we will click finish sketch. And now what you want to do is extrude it, and another look here. So you want a total of 18 millimeters and it's going to be symmetric. So we have our XY plane here and it's symmetric, so it's a total of 18 millimeters. So we extrude it, we click on this and we go symmetric, and we have a total of 18, and we completes the shaft support. Thank you for watching.